Auto snap! The Alfa Romeo 4C Spider is a name that stirs excitement among car enthusiasts, and for good reason. This baby supercar continues to redefine what it means to merge Italian design with track-level performance. Compact yet striking, the 4C Spider has always been a celebration of lightweight engineering and precision handling, and the latest iteration elevates its game to an entirely new level. This car doesn't just aim to impress, it delivers thrills that rival those of much larger and pricier supercars. At the heart of the Alfa Romeo 4C Spider lies a turbocharged 1.75-litre four-cylinder engine that packs a surprising punch, producing around 240 horsepower. This small yet mighty power plant propels the 4C Spider from 0 to 60 mites in just over 4 seconds. The engine is mounted midship, giving the car near-perfect weight distribution, which translates to exceptional handling. Paired with a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission, gear shifts are precise and instantaneous, adding to the car's exhilarating driving experience. The sound of the engine, combined with its rapid acceleration, is music to any car lover's ears. The Alfa Romeo 4C Spider's lightweight design is one of its most defining features. Built around a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, the car tips the scales at just under 2,500 pounds. This emphasis on weight savings allows for razor-sharp responsiveness on both twisty roads and open highways. Every movement feels connected, every turn precise, as if the car becomes an extension of the driver. It's the kind of experience that makes even a casual drive feel like a spirited lap on a racetrack. Design has always been central to Alfa Romeo's DNA, and the 4C Spider is no exception. From its aggressive front fascia to its curvaceous rear end, this car is an absolute head-turner. The signature Alfa Romeo grille, paired with LED headlights and sleek air intakes, gives the front a menacing yet elegant look. The removable soft top transforms the car from a coupe to an open-air roadster, allowing drivers to soak in the sun and the soundtrack of the engine. Finishing touches, like the alloy wheels and dual exhaust tips, further enhance its sporty aesthetic. Inside, the 4C Spider offers a cockpit designed for the purist. Carbon fiber accents and minimalistic styling emphasize function over frivolity. While some may find the lack of advanced infotainment systems surprising, it's clear that Alfa Romeo intended this car to be about the drive, not distractions. Supportive bucket seats keep you firmly planted, while the flat-bottom steering wheel and paddle shifters put control at your fingertips. It's an interior that's raw and unfiltered, mirroring the driving experience itself. Safety has not been overlooked, even in a car so focused on performance. Advanced braking systems and electronic stability control ensure that the 4C Spider remains composed even at high speeds. Alfa Romeo has also incorporated a rear-view camera and parking sensors, practical additions for navigating urban environments. While it may not have the latest in autonomous driving tech, this car is for those who value driving engagement over automation. The Alfa Romeo 4C Spider is more than just a car, it's a statement. It represents the perfect balance between beauty and brawn, offering supercar thrills in a package that's accessible to more drivers. With its lightweight design, potent engine, and stunning looks, it embodies the essence of Italian performance cars. Whether carving through mountain roads or cruising through city streets, the 4C Spider guarantees an unforgettable experience.